Need to estimate rebar for a slab or footing? BuildCalculatorsHQ Free Rebar Calculator estimates bar counts in both directions, total length, weight, waste, and optional material cost in under a minute. Start by choosing Imperial or Metric. For this example, we'll use a 20 by 10 foot rectangular slab. Enter the length and width, then select the space shown on your approved plan. We'll use 16 inches. Next, choose the specific rebar size. We'll use number 4 rebar and then add a 10% waste allowance for cuts and handling. You can also enter your local price per linear foot. Estimate updates automatically. This layout needs 9 bars running lengthwise and 16 running widthwise for 25 bars total. That equals 340 linear feet before waste, or 374 feet after the 10% allowance. The calculator also estimates weight and cost from the selected bar size. Switch to metric at any time for meter, millimeter, and kilogram results. Below the calculator, you'll find common rebar weights, formulas, worked examples, and planning guidance. Use the calculator and matching guide free at BuildCalculatorsHQ.com. Remember, this tool estimates materials only. It does not design reinforcement. Always follow approved structural drawings and confirm bar size, spacing, cover, laps, and placement with a qualified professional.